Well, think of how much charcoal I was carrying around in this engine bay that's now gone.
Exactly. Like a barbecue.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from Kentcarmedia. Today we are working on the Mark 1 again. We're going to be removing the EVAP charcoal canister from the car. We've already done this on Rob's Mark 2, so if you're looking for a guide on how to do it for a Mark 2, click the link up there. Let's go ahead. It's a very easy mod, very cheap, and it just makes the engine bay look a lot nicer. So, let's crack on. It's done in 10 minutes. All you need for this mod is one of these blanks. We just bought an assortment off Amazon. They're about £6 for all of those. You only need one, so if you can find the right size, then you only need to buy one, but we got them just in case we need them for anything else. That's all you need for the mod, so it's £6, and this beast is gone. So we're going to start by removing these pipes off the top. Just need some pliers for this one, it's got a little squeeze grip that's rusted.
I can actually squeeze it now. There you go.
That's them hoses off the top. Yep. So
You'll find you've got a hose on the bottom.
Yep.
As you can see, so you can get that one off. Like that.
One canister
Of charcoal.
of charcoal. It's quite heavy.
So we need to loop two of these hoses together, and I would suggest you see this one down here. It's to do with the vapours or something. And then what it does is it just channels it away. So we can take this off of here, and then we'll use this one. We'll cut this one down to size maybe and fit it, or you might be able to actually
Swap
just
them
hook
around.
that one on. Go underneath, then hook that one on, maybe like that. Yeah, that might be the best.
I think so.
Put this one on there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay, I'll do that now. Get that clip out of the way.
So Olly's just going to cut that one slice it off. Remember, what you'd always cut towards you.
Cut towards you, yeah.
Yeah.
Measure once, cut twice.
And then you can pry it open normally with a screwdriver. Like so. So that needs to loop to this empty tube here.
So we're just going to loop this under here. I've stuck a Jubilee clip on it because the pinch clips are too small to go around this hose. That's on there. Have you ever realised that Jubilee clips are like the stiffest things to ever do up?
Yeah, that's what I normally do with a ratchet now.
So we found the right blank for the inlet. This little tiny one. It's about the size of a Tic Tac. If you're going to buy one. It is the same size as one of the blanks in the rear lights, but mine doesn't have it because the rear lights have obviously been out at some point. So we'll just poke that over there, make sure it's nice and tight around it. That's not going anywhere. And now we're on to tidying up these hoses that are still on the solenoid.
So I think on the Mark 1 you can just unplug it and remove it completely. So let's do that, because you don't have any engine management lights, do you? So it's the longest extension bar in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, it's probably
a bit overkill, isn't it? Overkill, isn't it?
It's because it's not solid, so you can't. There you go. Screwdriver in it. Easy as that.
Easy as that, right?
So tuck that up there somewhere. I don't know.
Just throw it somewhere. Whee! Oh, that's so messy.
It'd be annoying if we actually used that.
Right, so you can tuck that away. I mean, you probably could actually. We'll take all this out later, maybe. Once we know that we definitely don't need to fit it back on. You can remove
the bracket.
This bracket. There's just two, I think, 10 or 12 mil bolts down there. I was a betting man.
There we go. Bracket out.
Bracket in. Let me begin.
In the bin.
That's it, really. Look, not only have you saved a shitload of weight, Ollie,
Yeah.
your mates also now think you're a lot cooler. So.
Well, think of how much charcoal I was carrying around in this engine bay. That's now gone.
Exactly. Like a barbecue.
Nice and easy mod. Makes your engine bay look a lot neater. Cheap. 10 minutes. Bosh. Done. Let's start the engine and see that it actually still works.
Yeah, still works. That's it.